We're going to start off with a really easy basic subtraction problem. We have 2 minus 1, and what we want to do is we want to think of this in terms of units. So let's say we have $2, that'll be our unit form. Okay, now we are subtracting 1, so that's minus 1, so we're taking one of those 2 units away. So we take away one of the 2 units, and we're left with a total of 1. And so 2 minus 1 is 1. Let's take a look at another example of how to do a basic subtraction here. Let's say we have 9 units and we're subtracting 4, 9 minus 4, and our unit is going to be oranges. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 oranges here. And we are going to take away 4 of them. We're going to give them away. So we're subtracting 4 of those oranges. And if we count up our new total of oranges after subtracting 4, our total left over is going to be 5. So in other words, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now there's one caveat when you're doing basic subtraction, and that is that you can have negative numbers. And the way to handle a problem like that, or one way to conceptually handle a problem like that, would be to tackle it like this. Okay, draw a line. Now on one side we have positive and the other side we have negative. The positive side is obviously the side that we start with. So let's say we have 2 lines or 2 units. I'll draw them in chalk lines here in white. Okay. And we're going to subtract more than what we have, so we're going to subtract 4. So we're taking away 4. So we're going to mark down 4 lines here. Now, we only have 2 units to get rid of. So, okay, we get rid of those 2. Now, we have 2 left over, but we're taking those away, and we don't have any units to cover. So what we do is we stick those onto the negative side in white right there. And in that case, we have negative 2. So 2 minus 4 is going to equal negative 2 in this case, and we're going to walk through a brief example of how to do that. Okay, we have the number 3 and we are subtracting 7, and in this case we're going to use pennies as our unit. So we have 3 pennies, and we for some reason agreed to give a friend 7 pennies, but we only have 3 that we have on us. And we're giving a friend 7, so we're subtracting 7. Okay, now we could do the easy 3 minus 7, but if we're not sure, we could set it up like this. Okay, we have the positive and negative column here. And for our positive column, we put the 3 that match up with the negative 7 there. And we get rid of those. And then we still have 4 left over on the negative side. So that gives us an answer of negative 4. And that is one way you could try tackling numbers where you're subtracting more than what you have. Or the other way you could do is just take the difference and make sure to put a negative number behind it. Let's say we have 7, and then minus 3, that's 4. But then you got to make sure you put the negative 4 behind it so you get your signs right. And that's essentially some examples of how you do basic subtraction. Thank you for watching this video.